Hello everybody. Okay, in tonight's tutorial I am going to do, it's kind of a 2-for-1. Hello cricketers, welcome to Cricketing with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and thank you so much for joining me in today's tutorial. Hello cricketers, or should I say howdy. Hello everyone, it's me again, Delonda. Thank you. I want you to know that I appreciate you. I hit a small milestone in terms of the YouTube world, 1,000 subscribers. One second. All right, it's going to be okay. It is going to be okay. That is a part of it. You got to take the good with the bad. So thank you all for going on this journey with me. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking the videos. Thank you for encouraging me. Thank you for giving me feedback. And I also want to say thank you to you.
Thank you to you.
Y'all might not know it, but he is my #1 supporter. And if he wasn't as supportive as he is, I wouldn't be able to do this. And you know how much I love it. So I want to tell you thank you, and I love you.
I love you more.
I don't know why I'm getting emotional, but this is what it looks like. And it says, presented to Crafting with Delonda for passing 100,000 subscribers. This is what it looks like. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for every like. Thank you for every subscribe. Thank you for every interaction on the videos. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for praying for me. Thank you for just giving me your time. I will never get tired of saying thank you. I know that I wouldn't be here without you. So I just want you to know that from the bottom of my heart, I thank you.
Hey, I'm just dropping in to congratulate you on hitting that 100K subscribers, to let you know how excited I am for you and to be on this journey with you. You are one of the most amazing people anyone could ever meet. So, the thing I love about Delonda is the willingness to help. Make sure you understand what she is teaching you. One piece of advice I would give anyone that is watching Delonda on any platform is to just watch and listen. She will not let you fail.
Hi, I'm Jeray Johnson.
And I'm Ramon Johnson, and we're with Atlanta Vinyl. Delonda, we'd like to congratulate you on reaching 100,000 subscribers on YouTube.
Yes.
That is a major milestone, a major accomplishment. Congratulations.
Yes, amazing.
We want to take this time to thank you for promoting Atlanta Vinyl to all of your viewers and subscribers, from giving them instructional information on everything from our Parrot 3D Puff to Clear Ultra Metallic to all of the Caesar vinyl we offer. Thank you so much for raising awareness of who we are, the products that we sell. Sincerely appreciate it.
Yes, we do. Definitely. Delonda, we hope you keep pushing forward because the crafting world needs you.
Congratulations again.
Hey Delonda, congratulations again on achieving 100K subscribers on YouTube. That is such a huge milestone and you totally deserve it because you have worked so hard. One of my favorite things about you is your humility in learning. I think that because you are willing to experiment on camera, live, people feel so comfortable being themselves with you and asking all the right questions. And so I love to see that about you. And if I had to offer a piece of advice, I would say that your excitement and your enthusiasm over your projects is one of the best parts about your video. So please never ever lose that because it makes your videos so fun to watch. Congratulations again.
Hey Delonda, your girl Courtney from the Crafty Brick. Congratulations to 100,000 subscribers. That is an amazing feat. I am just so happy for you. I'm so excited that I got to meet you this year in person. I didn't even know who you were before we met here in San Diego, but I'm so happy that I got to meet you because I just think you've got this light that just shines around you. You are such a kind person, an amazing teacher, and I am just happy that I've gotten to know you and learn also some tips and tricks that you have given me. And I just think you're just an inspirational person. So I'm so happy for you. I'm happy to be a part of your celebration, and I can't wait to see what you have in store for us for your next 100 subscribers, or not 100,000.
Delonda, I am so proud of you for hitting 100,000 subscribers on your channel. You are awesome. I love watching your videos. And one of my favorite things about you is really just how real you are. I love listening to your videos because it's like sitting down with a friend. Seriously, that's how I started watching your videos, which you know that I've been watching your videos because like I popped in a couple times. Also, like we've met for real in real life and everything. So you know all of this, but I love that you are just you and you tell it like it is and you're super honest and it's really, really cool. So again, congratulations on hitting 100,000 subscribers. It won't be long before you're at 1 million. It's going to be awesome. Way to go, Delonda.
Hey Delonda, it's Brooke from Heat Transfer Warehouse, and I just wanted to hop on and congratulate you on hitting 100K subscribers on YouTube. That is super impressive, very much well deserved. You always have great videos and you're so fun and full of energy. I love working with you. Good luck in your future. I can see you hitting many more milestones like this. Keep up the great video content. Your subscribers love you and we love working with you. Congrats!
Congrats, Delonda, on 100,000. Your channel is so inspirational and I absolutely love it. Personally, I love the way you teach, how you break the steps down and you make everything so simple. So I can't wait to see you reach 200,000 because I know that's just around the corner.
Hi, Londa. Congratulations on your 100K. Keep up the good work. We love you. Congratulations.
Wait a minute. Who got 100K already? Who got 100K already? Y'all hear the name? Go Delonda, go Delonda, go Delonda. Congratulations, giving you all your flowers, well deserved. This could not have happened to a more deserving person and I could not wait to celebrate with you. Thank you for letting me be a part. Congratulations. From the moment that you have stepped onto the YouTube scene, I was like, who is that over there killing it? You have been knocking it out the park with every video. You are so much fun to watch. You're free-spirited. I love your energy. I love your enthusiasm. And I am wishing you nothing but the best. Much more success to come. Keep doing what you're doing. And congratulations. As my father could say, 1 million K. We already know what time it is. Go Delonda. Go Delonda. Go Delonda.
Hi Delonda, with Angel. I wanted to congratulate you with your 100K. Who would have thought 2 years ago you'd be this far? I know how hard you worked for it. You didn't think you can make it, but you did. You deserve it. I want to thank you for everything you do for me and for the other people in the Facebook group. I want to thank you to be the person who you are. Thank you for inspire us every day, to teach us things. Even though you make mistakes, you honestly tell us so and inspire us to keep going. Keep doing what you do, Delonda, because you are touching everyone's heart. We're blessed to have you. Thank you. Thank you to your family to give you the time and space to do so. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Listen, Delonda, sister, 100
100,000 followers is huge. Sis, I am extremely proud of you. I want you to keep going. Don't give up. Continue to follow your dreams. You are killing the game. And my one piece of advice to you would be something that you're already doing is don't neglect yourself, your family, or your friends. Having a healthy work-life balance is critical for everyone. So keep doing what you're doing and 100,000 followers.
Hi Delonda, Eve with the baby's booty, and I want to congratulate you so much for your achievement. It is well deserved. I absolutely love you, love your channel, and love your energy. Advice that I would give you would probably be continue on your path, continue being true to you, and continuing to tell Patrice to start over. I think that's hilarious. And the thing that I love the most about you is your genuineness and the red pointy finger. Or is it a white pointy finger? No, yours is red. I want one too. But love you, girl. Congratulations. Yay.
Congratulations, Auntie Wanda. Congratulations. Okay, 100,000 is a really big deal. We all know that.
Yep.
And we're not surprised, although you did it really fast. But you are the best, so we're not surprised, right? Does anybody have any advice for Auntie Londa how to keep up the good work?
That's it. Thank you. Thank you for enjoying our video. Like and subscribe.
Okay. Congratulations, Londa. You're doing awesome. Cricketing with Delonda.
Guess what? I like doing videos too. So you're just like me.
Oh, okay. All right, bye-bye. With love from Berlin.
Hey Delonda, I just wanted to say congratulations for hitting over 100K. You are definitely so inspiring. I definitely admire your honesty. Everything that you are doing, you are absolutely killing it. If I had one piece of advice, I mean, you're already killing it. Just keep doing exactly what you're doing. Don't change. You're amazing. Congratulations again.
Hey Delonda, it's Lakeisha of Dim's Designs. I want to say I'm so proud of you and congratulations on reaching 100,000 plus subscribers on YouTube. The one thing I love about you is the fact that you are so excited and impressed with your own projects. Like, you love your own work. What can I say? You love it. I love it. We love it. Make sure you stay true to yourself. You're an amazing person, an amazing mom, and an amazing wife. I'm so happy to be along this journey with you. And again, congratulations. I love you, girl.
Crafting with Delonda. I was with you since you were cricketing with Delonda, and it has been a pleasure and a joy to be here. You are doing amazing. Keep kicking butt. The best advice I can give to you is just stay you. You are amazing, you are funny, and you are so honest, and that is why everyone loves you. That is why you have reached 100K subscribers. You are a rock star. And what do I love most about you is probably what I said to stay. I love that you're funny, I love that you are accessible, and I love that you are true to who you are. So continue to be that way, and I love you, my friend.
Hi, Delonda, and congratulations on hitting your 100,000 subscribers. I can actually remember the very first time that I saw you on YouTube. Now, I may not remember what craft you were working on, but I remember how you made me feel. And I loved your energy, I loved your wit, and I loved your warmth. And of course, now after watching you all these months, there's so much more that I've grown to appreciate. You are honest, you are real, and to me, most importantly, you are in this to truly teach and inspire. So keep it up, keep it real, and I wish you so much more success in the future.